The CNC 3D 5-axis milling machine with dual working heads and dual clamping tables is a powerful solution for woodworking manufacturers who want to increase output while maintaining high precision. With two heads operating at the same time, the machine can process two workpieces simultaneously, significantly reducing cycle time and boosting productivity without adding labor costs. Designed for complex 3D milling, carving, and drilling, this machine delivers smooth surfaces, accurate details, and excellent repeatability. Its rigid structure and high-precision components ensure stable performance even during long production shifts. The dual table system allows continuous operation, minimizing downtime and maximizing machine efficiency. This machine is ideal for furniture factories, solid wood manufacturers, and workshops producing complex 3D components that demand speed, consistency, and quality. Investing in this CNC solution helps reduce manual work, lower production costs, and increase competitiveness in today's demanding woodworking market.